What up, good people, and welcome to another episode of This Is Dope. It's your man Ahmad here with another dope something going on in tech. So, today is May 21st, which is when all of us who don't have early access to our iPad Pros and Apple stuff get our iPads. I was pleasantly surprised because I ordered mine through my carrier and was told when I pre-ordered that it wouldn't ship until May 28th. Like, not delivered, wouldn't ship until May 28th. So, obviously it's the 21st. It's here. That's what this group of boxes is here. It is my iPad Pro and my Magic Keyboard, I'm assuming, because I have two boxes. So I wanted to share the unboxing with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the camera a little bit so you guys can see it a little bit better. And we're going to do an unboxing. Not going to do a review of the product. I'm just now getting it, have to set it up. But I wanted to show you guys, the whole unboxing experience. So enough babbling. Let's get to it. So I'm going to use Keys, the bootleg box opener. Here we go. Ta-da. Why? Because I'm too excited to go inside and find a real box opener, a box cutter, excuse me. There we go. Those keys. Ta-da. Now, if you guys recall, I told you I got the 11-inch, the white keyboard. White keyboard. Ta-da. So let's go ahead and open this up. Apple, as usual, makes things easy to open. You got to pull a little tab. And put this over here. And here we are. Oh. Let's see. Let's go ahead and pull this off. And yeah, definitely has a little weight to it, a little size to it. It is like white, not off-white. It is like snow white, like Frozen, Elsa, Anna, Olaf. Do you want to build a snowman type of white, which is awesome. And yeah, this is awesome. I like this. I like this. Obviously, by itself, it's not that heavy. It feels really sturdy. I mean, the Magic Keyboard's been around for a while. The only significant thing that I notice off top, obviously, is that it's white. I don't think there's any real difference to the keyboard itself. I don't anticipate anything new being in the packaging. Let's see. No. Nothing new. All right, set this box off to the side, set my keyboard over here. Let's get to the iPad, the star of the show. Let's go ahead and adjust this camera down a little bit more. I'm sure you guys don't care about looking at me. You really want to see this iPad. All right, so once again, bootleg box cutter in effect. Ta-da. Here we go. 2021 iPad Pro. Yeah. 2 terabytes. I don't know how well you guys can see this, but 2 terabytes, 11-inch, Wi-Fi plus cellular model. So let's go ahead and get to it. Once again, let's go ahead and Apple makes this thing pretty easy to open. Now, I didn't get the silver one. I know most people thought I should, but I think I ordered the, At least I don't think I got the silver one. Okay. Apparently I'm not smart enough to, there we go. Yeah, I thought I got the space gray one because I wanted kind of that black and white feel to it. So this is it. Obviously this one does not have the XDR display. I looked at videos with that display. You definitely can tell the difference, but for my workflow, I'm not a creative. I doodle, I sketch, I lightweight edit video. Well, I edit videos for this channel, obviously, on my iPad. Do some lightweight photo editing, but it's not gonna do anything to really enhance my whole situation. And I'm happy with my 11-inch choice because it's more portable, right? Had a 12.9 for quite some time. And, you know, I just wanted something a little different. All right, so it's the same stuff. There we go. All right. It's here. Hold on. Yeah, there's Apple stickers in here for those of you who are Apple sticker aficionados. And apparently they are not happy being here because they do not want to come out. There we go. Ta-da. All right. Comes with the charger, little wall charger, USB-C cable, nothing extra phenomenal. Let's go ahead and introduce our two friends to each other. Magic Keyboard, meet iPad. iPad, meet Magic Keyboard. There we go. Ta-da. This is probably going to get quite dirty. Probably going to be cleaning this a lot, but it is what it is. I definitely like the size of this. And I still have my 12.9 inch, so let me move some of this stuff over and I can kind of show you guys a compare and contrast from a size perspective, right? So, but as you can tell, from a size perspective, it's definitely a noticeable difference. Yeah. So that was it, guys. I know this is a real quick, impromptu, not really scripted video, but I just wanted to show you guys my unboxing. I am getting ready to go have some fun. Let me adjust this thing a little bit. You guys can see me. I'm getting ready to go have some fun. This is unscripted. I know I freestyled this to death, to be honest with you. But I was really excited, wanted to share it with you guys. I got my iPad now set up, fun time. And so enough of me rambling. I need to get to getting it. So if you like this video, please go ahead and mash that like button. If you like the channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe. If you want the notification bell so you can know when I drop more videos like this, please do. Hopefully everyone has a great rest of their week, wonderful weekend. Stay safe, enjoy summer, have fun, and I'm out.